wanted to do unboxing this today. Dumating yung wireless microphone natin, and ito na rin, smartphone stabilizer or gimbal. You will see the packaging dito ang sobrang, compared to, it's so different, so sleek. Parang ayaw ko nang buksan dahil sa sobrang ganda ng boxes. Grabe talaga. It's just very mura, huh? It's very inexpensive, and hopefully the quality will be the same, but I'm so impressed. Ito pa lang, very much impressed. So, let's do unboxing. Unahin natin yung microphone. I wanted to be careful kasi yun na nga, sobrang ganda ng quality. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. Dapat dalawang to, pair kasi ito dapat. So tingnan natin. Oh my god. Wow. Ang ganda naman. Let's take out one of the microphones. I'm just so impressed with how it is being. Wow. Wow. Okay. Ang ganda. Tapos this is the where this is the one where you also use for the cell phone. Yung plug niya. Ayan, ang hirap kunin. Sandali lang. Ang hirap pa. Alam ko na. Gamitan natin ng so ito yung ipapasok natin sa cellphone as the receiver. Yan. Very sleek. Tagalin natin yung plastic. Perfect. Very perfect. Grabe. Hindi ko siya muna. Hindi ko siya muna. Yan ko na lang na ganyan muna. Feeling ko ganito na lang, no? Ayaw ko siyang tanggalin dyan. Bahala kayo. Now, the moment of truth, the gimbal. I promise to do more vlogs dahil dito. So, hopefully, makakapera tayo. Ewan ko na lang, mababawi natin. Yung in-invest natin. Ito din, parang ayaw ko na rin tanggalin to sa box at ito na magiging casing. Pero hopefully may casing to. Tingnan natin. Ang galing. It's the Smart SE stabilizer. Yan. Holder with magnetic patch. Let's see. Wow. Grabe. Casing alone. Just wow. Whew. I'm so excited. Oh my god. OMG. Ang bigat. Walang joke. Mabigat siya. I was expecting, well, forgive me for comparing yung mga products natin na galing, Philippines, or usually when we buy in Lazada, it always comes from China. This one's heavy, I tell you, with a very complete. Hindi po ganito yung mga manual na dumadating usually. Pero wow. And another one that comes with it is of course the stand. So lalagay mo yan dito. Wow. The best. The best talaga. O, di ba? Meron na tayong gimbal. Ayan. Abangan natin kung paano to gagamitin. Babasahin ko muna. And ito yung unboxing natin for one gimbal stabilizer and microphones. So, abangan natin ang mga vlogs gamit natin ang dalawang ito. This is me trying out the new gimbal and the new microphone. So as you can see, the gimbal is following where I will be going, and hopefully it will also prove na the microphone has a very good quality dahil ang layo ko na, lalayo pa ako masyado. Tingnan mo, sumusunod pa rin yung ating gimbal, di ba? So, let's see kung anong quality ng video at saka ng microphone na ito. Now, let's try na walang microphone, okay? So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari kung walang microphone. Siyempre, I'm using the gimbal and it's not following me. I turned off also now. Walang susunod na microphone. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari. Punta ako sa malayo. Mic test, mic 1, 2, 3. Marinig pa ba tayo nito? Tingnan natin. Let's try once more using the microphone that we bought. At susunod naman yan eh. Kahit gaano tayo kalayo. Tingnan natin kung aabot ba ang ating voice dito kahit sobrang layo natin. So, let's see kung effective ba yung microphone na ito. Yan. Subukan kong litan yung voice ko kung tingnan natin kung kukuha niya ang voice quality nito. Alright. So, lapitan natin. Tingnan natin kung nag-epekto ba yung voice natin dito.